And this is regarding a possible threat of violence to a program that was supposed to celebrate Britannia's association with the film Bahubali 2, The Conclusion. That particular program has now been cancelled, in fact has been postponed. A statewide bandh has also been called for on the 28th, and we're hearing that this program, which was supposed to be a combined press conference, now stands postponed. This after continued threats from pro-Kannada groups led by Vattal Nagaraj. Why are they protesting? Well, they're protesting because they haven't heard from one of the actors of this magnum opus film, Satyaraj. They are demanding an apology for a few comments, anti-Kannada comments that he made 9 years back. The KFCC are protesting at Bengaluru's Maurya Circle against the release of the film. They are against the statements that were made by the actor of this film on the very sensitive Kaveri water issue. Okay, so that's the news that there was supposed to be a program that celebrated the association of Britannia with the film Bahubali 2, and now that program stands postponed. So clearly, Bahubali 2's Karnataka release now in jeopardy, with the pro-Kannada groups not willing to let go of their agitation and their protest against the actor Satyaraj. They are demanding an apology from him. They are saying that we will not allow this film to release unless and until we hear from the actor, unless and until he tenders an apology, and the actor himself, surprisingly, who has remained silent on this entire matter. So we're just going to get more information about this program that now stands postponed. We're also going to find out what is the bandh call that has been given on the 28th as well. But this, this entire matter has snowballed into a big political row with pro-Kannada groups demanding an apology from the actor. And we can see the visuals of that protest. So this is really something that Rajamouli would be worried about, because, this is a film that is highly awaited. There is so much of speculation. There is just so much that one is expecting from the magnum opus Bahubali 2, The Conclusion. And now Karnataka perhaps just might not see the release of the film. Okay, I'm going to go straight across now to India Today's Nolan for more details and updates on this program. Nolan, tell us more. Tell us, what is the protest all about? Why is this program being postponed, and what else are you hearing from the pro-Kannada groups?
Well, let's put it this way. They protested this morning. They protested in front of the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. Now, they had these posters. They actually lit fire to it. All their grouse is against the actor Satyaraj for the comments he made on the Kaveri issue. They say that if he delivers an unconditional apology, then only they will allow the movie to be screened in Bengaluru and Karnataka. They have nothing against the movie. They all want to watch the movie, but they are not for it being screened here till an apology is being given. So once they get an apology, they say they have no issues with it being allowed to be screened. However, if no apology is given, the protest will intensify, and we will see the Karnataka bandh taking place on the 28th of April.
Okay, stay with me, Nolan. Praveen Shetty, pro-Kannada activist, is also joining me now on the broadcast. Sir, good afternoon. Thanks so much for speaking to us. Now, why make an issue about something that, was talked about 9 years back? That is, the charge against pro-Kannada groups. That why are they raking this matter now? Why was an apology not demanded from the actor Satyaraj when he made those very controversial comments? Mr. Shetty, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Please go ahead.
It's talking about Kannadigas. We don't like to, which is he spoken in the last 6 or 9 years back.
True, agreed. Absolutely, agreed. If sentiments were hurt, Mr. Shetty, then why was an apology not asked from Satyaraj earlier on?
earlier we didn't get the which is the video we are collect from the near viral video has been viral by the in this day and now only. We get the video and then we only started for the protest against Satyaraj. He spoke harshly to Kannadigas. That's why we are when video has been viral for Kannadigas. That time only we are the against in Satyaraj. It is the old video, whatever we get only nearly one month or 2 months back.
Now, are you saying that you have seen this video only now and therefore, you have decided to go on with this agitation and protest and not allow the film to be released?
Video, we will start the protest against Satyaraj because of the Kaveri issue.
No, I do understand it's a very sensitive and an emotive issue, Mr. Shetty. But what is it that you're asking from Satyaraj? What is it that you're asking from SS Rajamouli? Because the release of the film now is in jeopardy with, the pro-Kannada groups refusing to call off the agitation.
Sorry, didn't get?
No, are you saying that if Satyaraj apologizes, will you allow the film to be released?
Yeah, definitely. He asked to Kannadigas apology. Then only we will allow to release the film. We are against only about Satyaraj, not in the film or whatever it, or Telugu people. We will only against Satyaraj only. He asked to apology for Kannadigas. Then only we will allow to Karnataka to release that film.
But my point is, Mr. Shetty, and I'm going to again ask you that why are you raking up this matter now? The comments were made 10 years back, and not just that, Mr. Shetty. No, Mr. Shetty, just please kindly stay with me. I just want to complete myself. That when the first installment of this film was released, Bahubali, the main film, why was that allowed? Why didn't you raise your objections to Mr. Satyaraj's views at that point? Why didn't you stall the release of Bahubali 1 at that point?
Because we are getting the viral of the video in the last 2 months back. Then only we are starting the procedure of the protest against Satyaraj. After only we got the information about the video, then only we can fighting for that apology, no?
Okay. All right, fair enough. If you say that you've only seen those comments now, and you're demanding an apology, and that's what will lead you to allow the film to be released. But have you spoken to the state government? I mean, in what capacity are you threatening to stall the release of this film?
Exactly, we are looking for we are fighting against Satyaraj. We will going for which are the government people, and we will be through for with Vatal Nagaraj, and we will do all the procedure for the next. If you want to do the apology within the 28th, we will allow the film. Otherwise, we will be looking for the Karnataka band, Bangalore band will be doing on the 28th.
Okay, and also one last question, sir. Have you heard from anybody, the makers of the film, from SS Rajamouli himself?
Not yet. Rajamouli is not telling we are not against the Rajamouli or whatever other films. We are only looking for Satyaraj only. We are heard from the Satyaraj's statement. We are looking for the apology from Satyaraj. That's it.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Shetty, for speaking to us. I'm going to go straight across now to India Today's Nolan Pinto. Nolan, so that's the point that they're making, the pro-Kannada groups. It's very simple. They've just seen the video now. They've seen those comments now. And that is why they're raking up this matter, despite the fact that it was made a decade ago. And they will not allow the film to be released.
Absolutely, you just heard what he stated, but we do not know what's the response of the government, because this is pro-Kannada organizations have actually threatened to actually carry out this strike or this bandh throughout the state, stating that they will not allow the release of Bahubali 2. Now, like you stated, why didn't they actually come about this earlier? It's because they said that the video went viral hardly 2 months ago. So their grouse is simple. You apologize, submit an unconditional apology, and then they will allow the movie to be screened. In fact, a large number of people, pro-Kannada organization activists, came out in front of the KFCC, that's the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce, protesting, burning placards, burning pictures of Satyaraj over here, saying that apologize because you have hurt the sentiments and feelings of Kannadigas over here, especially on the very, very the torturous, if one could call it, issue of the Kaveri. So this has hurt their feelings. They say apologize, and then we have no other issue, because it looks like even they want to watch the movie. However, not before an apology is tendered.
Let me also go straight across now to India Today's consulting editor Shiv Varur for more details and updates on this. Shiv, this will really hurt, the producers. It will also hurt the people of Karnataka, isn't it? Because I was just reading that it's the only state where all the three versions, that Telugu, Hindi and Tamil of the film, would have been released.
This is there's a bit of a strange element to this entire controversy, Avantika. Satyaraj has released many films since his controversial comments on the Kaveri issue. Many of those films have been released without any problem whatsoever in the state of Karnataka. So these pro-Kannada groups, either they didn't know about those films, or they've particularly chosen Bahubali to vent their fury, because otherwise it would be difficult to explain why so many films starring Satyaraj post his controversial comments have been released in Karnataka since he made those comments 2 years ago. So that's one aspect of it, and I think that the onus is on the pro-Kannada groups to actually talk about that. On the other hand, Bahubali is an epic film. It's a huge film, one of India's most successful cinematic ventures in history.
Yes.
And therefore it appears that the Kannada groups see it fit to highlight their cause with a big film like this, rather than some obscure films that Satyaraj has actually acted in, and nobody can really fault them for that. But the fact that these pro-Kannada groups have threatened a statewide bandh, called for a statewide bandh, means that this is a commercial threat to Bahubali. Karnataka is a big state, large cinema-going audience.
Exactly.
Since Kannada is one of the languages in the film as well, like you rightly pointed out, there is a very serious commercial pitfall ahead of the producers of the particular film. So I think at this point, coinciding with the day when the entire team is in Karnataka, in Bengaluru, where that event has been deferred or postponed or cancelled, it obviously means that the producers have a real problem on their hands. They can't ignore it.
Oh, yes, indeed. Absolutely. They can't ignore it. So can we expect a statement from the makers of Bahubali 2, Nolan? What next with the release of the film now in jeopardy in the state of Karnataka and the entire matter snowballing into one huge political row?
You know, everyone was expecting them to come over here and address that press conference that was to take place this morning in Whitefield. Many thought that they would actually try and speak about this controversy, maybe even say that, okay, fine, you know what, this shouldn't have happened. This is what everyone was expecting, but with that not happening, and we do not know when that will happen or if that will ever happen, because they have postponed it indefinitely. This is what the organizers tell us. So clearly there is a threat over there. They felt that this would not be the right time to come over here. Again, we are not too sure whether they will actually have parleys or will they talk to the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce, KFCC authorities over here, and maybe get KFCC to bring the pro-Kannada organization activists to bring them together, try and discuss this matter, sort of reach a neutral ground so that the film can be watched over here. And like you rightly said, Karnataka, Bengaluru has a huge movie people who love to watch movies in different languages, and that has been its plus point over here. But this movie not being actually screened will create a lot of havoc, and it's not good. It's really not good. So somehow, somewhere, they would all have to actually try and solve this problem diplomatically and basically talk about it.